Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to move base in Dune Awakening. So let's get started. First, unlock the Celita Replicator and craft a journal fabricator. Gather 20 salvage metal to unlock the Celita Replicator. Then use the Celita Replicator to scan your current base. Always note it does not copy items like refineries or storage units, so you will need to rebuild those later. Now find a strategic area with better resources or safer terrain. Set up a sub-base console at the new spot to begin replicating your base. Then gather the required materials again and reconstruct essential structures and storage in your new location. Now transport important items first using storage units or vehicles. Keep travel distances short to avoid danger. Once fully relocated, open the map and remove your old sub-base console. This frees up your previous base support for others. And now, that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.